How to make all TikTok videos private at once. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let's get started. Open up your TikTok, go to your profile on your bottom right, then tap on 3-bar icon and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way below and tap on report a problem. Here on the topics, search for your issue. If you don't find it, you can go to the search bar and type in make videos private. On the topics, tap on account and profile. Under here, scroll all the way below and go to report a problem. At the bottom, go to submit a report. And at this page, let's write our issue. Once you do so, tap on submit. And now all you have to do is wait for them to contact you. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.